Hi, looking for a comforting meal that is gentle on your gut and boosts your digestion? Let's make a warm, creamy pumpkin coconut soup. Simple, sattvic, and soothing for your belly. For 2 servings, all you need 1 cup pumpkin, peeled and cubed, 1 teaspoon ghee, 1/4 cup fresh coconut chopped, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, a pinch of pink salt, and 1.5 cups of water. Heat ghee in a pan. Add fresh coconut pieces and pumpkin cubes. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly golden and aromatic. The ghee nourishes your gut lining and enhances digestion. Add 1.5 cups of water, cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the pumpkin is soft and mashable. Blend everything into a silky smooth soup. Return it to the pan, add crushed black pepper and pinch of salt. Simmer for a minute. Your soothing pumpkin soup is now ready. Squeeze half lemon and garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Pumpkin is rich in soluble fiber and beta carotene, which calms inflammation and nourishes your gut lining. Ghee lubricates your intestines and supports smooth digestion. Fresh coconut cools the gut, provides healthy fats, and promotes gut flora. Black pepper gently boosts metabolism and clears digestive channels. Enjoy this warm bowl of comfort whenever your digestion feels off balance. Don't forget to like and subscribe Iona channel for regular healthy recipes, and share this recipe to your loved ones for their gut health transformation.